TradeMonster.com, 4.5 stars, best online broker, 2 years running according to Barron's. TradeMonster.com.
Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, after yesterday's big sell-off, we're hovering around the lows of the year in the S&P 500. The VIX has come in a little bit today, especially the front month future. It's been a surprise to some that even when we were down in the S&P 16, 18 this morning, you weren't seeing a big pop out of the VIX. But we've seen this before in periods of extreme sell-offs where the VIX isn't appreciating. And the reason you weren't seeing much of an appreciation this morning is because the VIX is at 45. The 45 VIX level is pricing in pretty big moves, almost 3% moves on a daily basis in the S&P 500. So when you're down 16, 17, hovering around a 1.5% move, although you are moving down, craziness is already priced in. It's already priced in. The market's going to whip around, going to move down, going to move up, and a small move down compared to the VIX pricing doesn't pop the VIX. We could continue to drift down 15, 20 points a day, touching new lows in the S&P 500 for the year, and we might not see a VIX at 55 or 60. To see that, we'd need single-day events, large swings in the S&P 500, 4, 5, 6%, like we saw in October and November of 2008. But the environment we're seeing now, where we're down 30, 40 points on a few consecutive days, is more reminiscent of March 2009, where we weren't seeing the VIX pop extremely hard. As the markets rallied back today to unchanged, you're seeing a move down. The front month future down about $1, $1.50 on the day. Our big trades today, one of them I thought was very interesting, is the November 42.5 straddle against the 60 call. The customer is selling this for $10 down to about $9.80, 4,000 times, trying to make a bet that the premium levels of the VIX won't whip around very much over the next month, month and a half. A $10 straddle plus that upside protection makes it a pretty premium intensive strategy to get long that. So the customer is looking to take advantage of these levels and hope that the VIX sits in the high 30s, low 40s. Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Option Monster.